You're welcome to OS Jeremiah channel. Thank you for learning in my channel always. The purpose of this channel is for me to be sharing you my over 15 years of experience in entrepreneurship. And I'm here to share you one today with the title, The Most Hidden Truth About Entrepreneurship. If you don't know what you are doing, you will be so confused about the internet. Let me give you the few case studies. Grant Cardone ate cryptocurrency today as I'm talking to you, and he is a billionaire in real estate industry. He used to went live on YouTube several times daily. I mean Grant Cardone, but he ate cryptocurrency. But do you want to know the real fact? One guy turned $20, just $20, into $20,000 invested in meme coin cryptocurrency this week, and within just 48 hours, it turned $20 into $20,000. So is cryptocurrency totally bad? I know so many people that their life story have changed. Like one Nigerian guy that bought Bitcoin in 2011, and the guy is the richest in cryptocurrency from Nigerian country as I'm talking to you now. The guy is living in Miami, United States of America. So you can now see that the most hidden truth about entrepreneurship is many roads lead to success. Many roads lead to success. Let me give you another case study. George Ten is on Twitter, is one of the best copywriters in the world. The guy is using the full stop. George Ten is using the full stop. He don't use it, and the guy is still being successful. Justin Ways is also on Twitter, and the guy is using full stop always, and he is one of the richest entrepreneurs in the world, making almost $180,000 monthly with 100K email list. And do you want to hear another surprise? George Ten has never spent more than 2 to 3 hours on the internet daily. Crazy. And you see, most of the billionaire entrepreneurs will be preaching for you to be successful. You have to be spending minimum of 20 hours, 22 hours daily, especially when you are struggling during your struggling period. Just once, don't spend more than 3 to 4 hours on the internet daily. The guy is making, as I'm talking to you now, making once again $180,000 monthly with 100K list. Do you want to hear another case study? Dan Lok is an high ticket entrepreneur making badass money monthly, and it doesn't cherish selling the low tickets. And I know so many entrepreneurs. There is one particular entrepreneur having 1 million list, 1 million people on his email list, and the guy is making minimum of $1 million monthly selling the low ticket of $10 to $20 price. So you can now see that we don't need to be argue many road leads to success. So the most important thing is to find your own path. You understand what I'm saying? Many roads leads to success. So find your own path and you are going to be highly successful. It is as simple as that. When you rely on what is happening on the media, you will be highly confused. It is as simple as that. I want you to follow me on Twitter so that you can learn massively from me. My Twitter, I have 2 accounts on Twitter, and this is one Ombu Jeremiah. Jeremiah at Ombu Jeremiah. So try to follow me so that you can learn big. Also, look at this screen very well. Visit www.worldinternetbillionaires.com to learn big. Let me show you how www.worldinternetbillionaires.com looks like so that you can learn big and become the best entrepreneur in the entire world. I'm also learning here daily. This is an international entrepreneurship website to access the top high income skills, the most reliable businesses on the internet now, and the rest of fellow stories of top global entrepreneur for you to escape and be highly successful in life. Don't forget that so far you have been hearing the voice of OS Jeremiah, entrepreneur, ICT analyst from Nigerian country, founder www.worldinternetbillionaires.com. Please, below this video, click follow by the right side and select the highest notification. I used to post one short video every day. Minimum of one powerful 5 minutes video, 1 to 5 minutes, one powerful video, 5 minutes, minimum of 2 or 3 times every week. So when you are following me, you're going to be learning new things about entrepreneurship daily. Make sure that you like this video. Please like it now so that this video will go viral and you contribute in impacting humanity. So please like this video below now. Another most important thing, please let me hear your voice in the comment to know whether I'm doing it good or right. I can't judge myself. You are the one that will judge you. So please drop your voice in the comment. Let me know if I'm doing it right. Lastly, or second to the last, share this video across, please, and please let it go viral. Then below this video, click link in the description below this video, and you are going to access my very powerful entrepreneurship room for you to learn massively delay. Please check the description below for you to click the link and access my entrepreneurship, and you are going to be learning massively daily. So many road leads to success. Find your path and you are going to be highly successful. How are you going to find your path? How can you find your path? Watch out in my channel. Go through my channel and you're going to access another powerful video that will reveal everything to you. I remain my name, O.S. Jeremiah, ICT analyst from Nigerian country. Thanks for learning.